家风情
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情每日一课语。
Hey everyone, it's time for Daily Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Lin。我们这个月可能就教一些形容词，好用的一些形容词。
OK 啊，好啊。
比如说刚看完那个奥运啊，看到运动员反应很敏捷啊，对不对？
有样哦。
Yeah, let's teach you how to describe someone that is swift, who is quick and agile. 敏捷的怎么说？
速脚懂散。
速脚懂散，懂散
就是
很快很敏捷。
快速。
Okay, that means very fast, very swift. For instance, 运动员的体能反应是敏捷的。An athlete's response time is very agile or swift.
运動員嘅體能反應，
運動員嘅體能反應
速腳懂散。
速腳懂散 which is what we just taught you. Very agile. The athlete, 運動員叫做
運動員。
運動員 that's an athlete. Okay, someone who plays sports. But then also, 有的时候也不是说动作很敏捷，有的时候是反应聪明，对不对 ？Yeah, sometimes it's your brain that's fast, right? 所以我们可以说他精得很，临场反应超敏捷的。He's very sharp and spontaneous.
機動戰，
機動戰，
臨場反應懂實數。
臨場反應懂實數。臨場反應就是臨場反應嘛，對不對 ？Like a reaction time on the spot, basically. For being very spontaneous, and he's very sharp, 很精啊，哈。There you go. Let's review some of these terms, including an athlete, 運動員。
運動員。
運動員 an athlete, 反應 reaction time.
反應。
反應 and finally, being very agile or swift.
速腳懂散。
速腳懂散 There you have it. Learning some adjectives in Hakka.
是母胎嘎。
俺是谁？张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.